all you viewers, be damn later. How we doing today? That's right, Barker's Beards is back on the channel. Whoops. Today we're going to take a look at his Southern Orchard Beard Butter. And guess what? In this video, we're going to have an exclusive discount code for you for Barker's Beards. I know, right? Alright, so what I usually like to do if you're brand new to my channel is I'm going to give you some info on it. For you guys who are familiar with Barker's Beards, skip ahead about a minute and a half or so. Alright, for you first timers who are not aware, you can find them at www.barkersbeards.com. Don't worry, I'll leave that down below in the description box, alright? They are proudly made in the USA out of Troy, Tennessee. They basically opened up to the public in November of 2018, and man, he's just going wild with it. I love it. I love everything Caleb's doing. Speaking of that, he is the CEO, Caleb. He is a brother, he's a friend of the channel, and man, he just makes incredible product. He really, truly does. I found out about him because of another YouTuber's live feed, Bearded Motivations. Live feed on Saturdays, The Hype. That's where I found him. I got hooked on his personality, got hooked on what he was doing and saying, and I went, okay, time to go buy some product. And that just started everything from there. Okay, now for the fun, all right? It's 4-ounce tub, and it is a whipped butter. Now, I know I haven't used this one a bunch. I've used it like 3 times so far, but I've used enough Barker's product to know that after my first 2 uses, it's the same quality, same consistency, and same beauty as, just everything else that he does. And you see, this is what kills me. All right, there it is just for the test. Just wiping it across, it's already beginning to break down. That's how quick. Sorry, I would put it in my beard, but I'm already testing something else today. So, I mean, that is just, to me, that's just phenomenal. How quick it breaks down and how easy it is to get out of the container. Now, like I said, it is a 4-ounce tub that you can get over on his web store for about $12, I believe it is. I think I got that right. If not, oh well, I'll get shot later. But still, double check that on the web store. I feel really bad all of a sudden. I thought I wrote it down. But, like Billy Mays, you always love to say, but wait, there's more. You can add like a 1-ounce oil to your order for, your beard butter for $20. $20 total for that. Or, if you don't want the oil and you want a balm, you can set, well, butter, but still, listen to me. You can put in a balm. And from what I understand, his balms really do rival that of another company that everyone seems to hoot and holler about. I don't know. I haven't used balm in a very, very long time, so I can't speak for that. Okay? Now, the scent profile, listen to me, profile on this thing is like a citrus cologne with a woodsy and floral undertones, all right? Seriously, think about orange orchards in Florida in bloom. That's about the only way I can put it. It's got that exact smell to it. I picked up on the oranges and like everything else right away, and I'm like, I know that smell. Guys, this thing is phenomenal. It seriously walks that great line where you can split everything into thirds, and he blends it all together beautifully. It's not overpowering. It's got like a really medium strength. It's there. The citrus and the cologne are not punching you in the mouth. It blends beautifully. And when I put it in one day and only used butter, it lasted me about a good 8 to 10 hours that I could smell it. This had more of a holding, scent holding than the oil did for some reason. I don't know why. It just happened to be that way. Now, the ingredients on this guy are shea butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, fragrance oil, and arrowroot. Yeah, see? Where'd it go? Oh, well, you put it kind of down below in that little trailer thing there. The other thing I like to point out, he's been doing that recently, the Judges 16, 17. He was in church, he heard a sermon, and he went, oh my God, that's awesome. To break it down simply for you, basically it goes, if I'm ever to shave my head, shave my hair, I lose my power. Think about that. That's freaking phenomenal. It's in the Bible. You shave, you're normal. You've lost everything. So that just went, wow. That is awesome for a men's grooming company to have that on there. Okay. Now, if you're unfamiliar with like beard butter and its uses, it really is for a great nighttime nutrition, or you can use it during the day however you want for your beard. It's going to get in there, it's going to deliver all those great vitamins, supplements, and everything else that your skin underneath your beard really truly needs, and it's going to give you a great light hold. I know. It's beard butter, but it's more for your skin and a bit for your beard than it is for the beard overall. Mind-blowing, right? Right? I mean, wow. And I already showed you how to break it down and use it just a little bit ago. It is that simple. Get the amount you need, get it in your other palm, warm it up, work it in, groom it out. Amazing. It's that simple. It's going to make your beard feel good. It's going to really soften it up. Trust me. With this stuff, Caleb's stuff is just phenomenal. It makes my beard feel like baby butt smooth. It really does. And I'm like, how? How do you do that? I put his product in. I'm like, good beard. Ooh, good beard. It's going to leave a great light hold in there, so, you can style it, have it cool, and it's going to smell awesome. So you put two of those things together with your better half, might make for a fun day for you. I know I'm doing this one just a little bit differently, and that's, I change it up every so often, right? Here's the fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I really want to know, have you used Barker's Beards products before, like his butter, his oils, balms, whatever? Because I have, and speaking of that, I know, I forgot to almost mention it, but I won't. Look down below somewhere on the screen. The exclusive discount code for you, which is not an affiliate code, it's just a discount that Caleb is graciously giving to you, is TCTBNL15. That will save you 15% off an already low price. I get no kickback, period. So that's just for you watching this video and wanting to go buy product. Not just this, anything on his web store, you can use that discount code on. Okay, well, like I said, I want to know, the questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below. I want to know, have you used Barker's Beards before? Have you had successes? Have you had failures? I love the stuff that I've tried from him. It just goes great in my beard. The only other complaints I've ever had with Caleb is just up the scent profile. Because sometimes I've been like, I can't smell crap. I can't. And he's like, oh, okay, whatever. Your nose. And yeah, Caleb, poking a little fun at you, but it's cool, brother. All right, so let's get this thing moving forward. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know we've got lots of time on our hands recently, and I'm very, very grateful that you're viewing this video. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? Why don't you leave me an answer down below, response, whatever, and let me know what I can do to earn your subscription. Let's be constructive about it and see if I can't work it into another video. Okay, after you guys have done that, look right there in that corner. In just a couple moments, you're going to see a big channel symbol pop up. Go click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Once you've knocked that out the way, if you so choose, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to enable you to notify yourself, have YouTube notify you every single time my channel uploads a brand new video. Yeah, I know, tongue-tied, need caffeine. Now, speaking of videos, two will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube's going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick, overview of Barker's Beards Southern Orchard Beard Butter. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you are being safe and having a great day today.